Today in front of me I have the Apple AirPods 4, and in this video I will unbox those earphones or earpods and we'll together see what accessories and items they come with. So the version that I have is the ANC version, as you can clearly see here. Don't think that the packaging and accessories differ from version to version in terms of AirPods Pro, or I mean AirPods 4 of course, but we'll see. So starting with peeling off those paper lines, and once I'll do that, the box should pop right open or slide right out as it is trying to now. So here we have the documentation, so designed by Apple in California. So if you want to read those stuff, you can. I mean, if you'll get those AirPods, I mean, but this thing is nothing interesting here, so we can just throw it away. Here are the headphones themselves, so the earpods. A very well-known and familiar form factor, which didn't change that much. That's what they look like. So the Type-C charging port, love to see that. Well, speaker, which probably is here for the Find My feature, so you will be able to make it or just play a sound from your charging case. So in case it is lost somewhere nearby, maybe it slid into the couch or something, or under the couch, they will be able to play a sound, so it will be easier for you to find them in that scenario. Then let's have a look at the earphones or earpods themselves. So that's what they look like. Once again, pretty familiar form factor with minor changes. Let's see whether the box contains anything else, maybe a charging wire. Maybe actually the charging wire was hidden in the documentation, but it didn't. So yep, you do not get the charging wire with those AirPods. So, well, I guess you gotta keep that in mind before buying them. So make sure that you have the Type-C charging cable for them. Or maybe my particular packaging or version does not include any additional accessories, such as the charging wire, which is, to be honest with you guys, is pretty, it's just strange. Anyway, that's the AirPods 4 preview for you guys. So should you have any further questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.